Hi, this is Miss McKee with my weekly update for Friday, October 23rd. So, a couple class announcements. An email was sent out by me on Monday that went over all of the changes in routines and other things like that that will occur during quarter two. So, if you did not get a chance to read that email, please go back and find it. If you did not get it, please let me know. This past week, we had our mid-Unit 2 major. We also began learning about unit rates in the second half of Unit 2. And some announcements from Pine Hollow. Be on the lookout for Mr. Livengood's weekly Sunday emails and updates. If you do not get those, please contact the front office. Also, we had quarter two material pickup on Wednesday. If you were not able to pick up those materials yet, please get in contact with the front office so that you can schedule a time to get those. In my email on Monday, I said that I would start sending out weekly checklists for your students and you to use on my Friday emails. So this is what the checklist looks like, and I'm going to use that to go over what next week looks like. So again, on the checklist, all items that are bolded will be graded assignments. So on Monday, we are going to do activities 11.3, 12.2, and 13.2. We're going to do the Unit 2, Day 7 Big Question Example. Their exit ticket is listed there. Again, as part of the changes for quarter two, we are not grading exit tickets, but the completion is important for remediation so that I know what students I need to meet with. And Monday's homework is to watch the 15.2 warm-up video and write down the answers in the book for Tuesday. Again, the warm-up videos are graded, and the students get the form for that at class the day that that video is due. So they should make sure that they come to class prepared with that information for the material that we're learning that day. Tuesday, we have a new weekly assignment called a spiral review, which was also reviewed in the Monday email. But the spiral reviews are all printed for you. They are 10 problems each week, and they are due every Tuesday. The directions for spiral review are also on the front of the packet that has all the spiral review sheets. They are also linked, the 10 problems are also linked on the daily slide in the homework section. All the forms to submit the answers for spiral review are in Google Classroom under classwork. There is one whole section just for spiral review forms. Tuesday, we will do 15.3 and 16.3, Unit 2, Day 2, Big Question Example, another exit ticket, and there is no homework for Tuesday. Wednesday is an asynchronous day. Remember on asynchronous days to be sure that your child is checking the daily slide. That is where they will get all their directions and the links they need for class that day, as we are no longer meeting on asynchronous days to go over those directions. They will have the October 28th practice problem form. And again, a reminder, students can submit their answers a second time on practice problems after seeing which ones are incorrect, so they could fix them and enter them again. Thursday, we will work on the end of Unit 2 study guide. That was in the quarter one packet. They should already have that. They will check the answer key and they will use that time during class to ask me any questions they'd like to go over. Their homework would be to finish the study guide if they didn't get a chance and finish checking the answer key if they did not get a chance. Friday, we will use the study guide to play a review game. And Friday night, their homework for Monday would be to study for their major for end of Unit 2. They can use the study guide that they have from class. And on Friday, I also have a link to flashcards that I have made if they'd like extra review. A couple other things I'm going to go over about as far as changes go for quarter two. Above my chalkboard, you will now see a link to Flight School small groups. I'm going to be using Flight School time to pull small groups. So if you click on that button, it will bring you to this. It will have listed out Monday through Wednesday what students need to meet with me to do small group work. There's another sixth grade math teacher who we're also sharing students with. I'm working with some of his students. He's going to work with some of my students. So if you are listed under Mr. Hagedorn for your small group starting at 8:05 that day during flight school, you're going to use the Hagedorn_PHMS code to join his Google Meet. Keep in mind, Thursday, I do not have flight school with anyone because that is my SEL day with my SEL group. And Fridays will be flexible, so please be on the lookout Thursday afternoons for an email from me if I want you to come join me on Friday for a small group based off exit tickets from that week. Also, my office hours, in place of them being during flight schools, they are now going to take place throughout Wednesdays. So you'll notice that it's just for one day. There are multiple time slots throughout the day that you could sign up to meet with me for that Wednesday. And when you fill out the form, please make sure that you include just a short description about what you would like to talk about when we meet that day. So I hope you have a wonderful weekend, and I look forward to another great week ahead. Bye-bye, everybody.